Installing a John Deere Clutch L130. The electric PTO clutch on a John Deere L130 runs a 12-volt system and controls the mower blades. When the PTO switch is engaged on the dashboard, a 12-volt current is sent to the clutch, where a brake is engaged and causes the mower belt to turn. When the clutch malfunctions, the blades will no longer engage, signaling that the clutch needs replacing. Removing the clutch is easy, putting it back on can be a little tricky. Things you'll need: jack stands, multi-purpose grease, clutch washer, clutch bolt, 35mm wrench, 5/8" socket. Park the lawnmower and set the parking brake, ensuring the machine is on level ground. Lower the mower deck to the lowest position. Slide the mower belt off the PTO clutch. Remove the linkage assembly from the front of the mower deck. Pull the handle out on the right side of the frame beside the front tire. Pull down and remove the linkage assembly. Place the jack under the front frame of the lawnmower and raise off the ground. Slide the jack stands under each side of the front frame. Lower the jack until the frame of the machine is resting on the jack stands. Apply multi-purpose grease to the crankshaft on the bottom of the engine. Install the clutch on the crankshaft with the pin coming down from the frame sliding into the slot on the clutch housing. Install the washer with the concave side upward, and slide the bolt through the middle of the clutch before hand tightening. Place the 35mm wrench over the washer to keep the crankshaft from turning. Place the 5/8" socket over the bolt and tighten down. Plug the connector from the wiring harness into the right side of the clutch. Lower the lawnmower back to the ground and reattach the linkage assembly.